Hello everyone, welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel. In this video, we're gonna take a look at the cheapest rear-wheel drive drift car available right now. This is the LDRC 1802. Before we begin, I would like to thank Banggood as always for sending me this car for a review. The link is in the description as always if you are interested. Now let's get on with the show. This is a 1:18 scale rear-wheel drive drift car with Mazda FC3 RX-7 body. Inside the box we have a small transmitter with some foam covers for better grip. Here's the charger. The light will go solid green when the charging is finished. Here are the door pulls and windscreen wipers that you'll have to put on the car yourself. It also comes with a screwdriver that you'll need for opening the battery compartment. There are also these pieces that you put in the arms to lower the car. This helps with the look, but also limits the suspension travel, so you'd better not use it. The body looks really good details with good proportion. It has independent suspension using the spring clip. The tension is alright. The body is bolted to the chassis by 2 screws. By the way, the mudguards at the front interfere with the wheels when turning, so I suggest you take them off. It has adjustable toe and camber on both front and back. The ball heads are 4.5mm. The turnbuckle screws are M2. The wheels are mounted on 4mm hex with M2 screw. It comes with wheel bearings too. The servo is 9G with 3 wire. And the motor is 150 size, so you can upgrade the electronics easily. At least you can upgrade the transmitter and ESC easily. Usually the motor is either 130 or 180 size. 150 motor is between the two and it is very unusual, so you can't find it easily. Of course, it has proportional steering and throttle. The servo is pretty fast too. It also has pop-up headlights controlled by another servo with fully functional headlights and indicators. The gyro has 4 steps, so it is either too much or too little. You'll have to do a lot of maneuvering to get it where you want to go while maintaining the drift. And there are 2 speeds you can adjust. This helps a lot, so you don't just go full throttle and spin the car out. Here's how it drifts out of the box. I'd say it is not good. The throttle and steering control are alright, but it has a very twitchy gyro, making it very difficult to drive. Out of the box, it has quite a lot of camber and rear toe in, so I adjusted it a bit. The tool you are seeing here is a ball link pliers. This tool helps you pop the linkage out. But don't worry if you don't have this. I can show you another way that you can find the tool pretty easily. This is a toolkit for computer that I got from my local shop for around 15 euros. And it has everything. It has small Phillips heads, it has small hex tips, and it has these sockets, 4mm and 4.5mm, so you can use it with 1/24th and 1/20th scale to remove the wheels. And the best bit I'm gonna show you is this plastic spudger or this plastic pry bar that you can use to take the linkage out without damaging the plastic ball head. And all of this you can get for around 15 euros from a computer shop, so check out your local shops, you might find one. I decreased the rear toe in angle, so it doesn't try to straighten the car out too aggressively. And also adjust the camber, so the left and right are equal, because they were not out of the box, or at least as equal as I could. I also opened up the front toe out, so the front can dig in and bite into the corners a little bit better. Now it is better to drive, but still that twitchy gyro is starting to get on my nerve. In conclusion, when the body looks this good, the chassis has good potential, and the price being this low, you can expect them to cut the corner somewhere. And you can clearly see in the plastic quality. To put it mildly, this is worse than a shampoo bottle. And the onboard gyro is garbage. It isn't just twishy, it is also unpredictable. Basically, you can't really play it as it is. However, despite it not offering the full rear-wheel drive drifting experience as a ready-to-run, the chassis has some potential. The steering angle is good enough for rear-wheel drive drifting, and it is the cheapest rear-wheel drive drift chassis you can buy today. So instead of trying to convert the WO toys to rear-wheel drive, this is a good alternative if you don't mind a bigger scale and you just want something that you can do rear-wheel drive drifting. One could argue that the electronics will add a lot of cost to it, but that is the same for every kit car. I don't think you need to replace the motor and servo either. Basically, you can see this as a kit car disguised as a ready-to-run. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.